Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Esim on Jeep Grand Cherokee step by step. Start by unlocking the vehicle, opening Uconnect or infotainment settings, and navigating to connectivity, then cellular. Remove the old Esim profile and confirm you have the carrier QR code or activation code on hand. Add the new Esim by scanning the QR or entering details manually. Reboot the system and verify the cellular connection shows active signal. I will walk through checking compatibility, backing up settings, and preparing your carrier information so the swap is smooth and avoids surprises. Confirm your Jeep supports downloadable Esim profiles and save current settings or profiles to a USB if possible. Contact your carrier for the new activation QR code or manual code string. Keep the ignition in accessory mode during activation, and test calls and data after installation to ensure full functionality. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and quick fixes. Your support helps fund better videos and faster uploads. Quick recommendation: the bottle I use on long installs helps me stay focused. Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for garage work or road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll perform the actual replacement step by step, so you can follow along easily without rushing or guessing. Delete the old Esim profile in vehicle settings, then choose Add Cellular Plan or download Esim. Use the carrier QR code or manual entry, confirm terms, and wait for provisioning to complete. If activation fails, restart the system, retry scanning, or contact carrier support for assistance and provisioning confirmation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.